Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we are going to see the differences between peut-être and peut-être. It's a comment that I got a week ago, I think. Kate asked me what are the differences between those two. So I thought it would be a great video to include to my series, Differences Between. This is the third video of the series. I will put the two other videos and the playlist down in the description box. So let's jump right into the subject. Peut-être and peut-être are two homophones. I have a video about homophones, but I did not include this one. I will also put the video in the description box if you want to check it out. The first one, peut-être with an hyphen, is an adverb. The second one, peut-être with nothing between, is simply two different verbs. The first one means maybe, perhaps. The second one, peut, comes from the verb pouvoir, which means to can. The second one, être, simply to be. So the main difference is that the first one is one word, the second one is two words. Let's see very quickly the conjugation of pouvoir, present tense. You will understand why, it's very important. So we have the pronoun subject, je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Then we add the conjugation. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, on peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. So why I wanted to see that? It's simply because you can see that peut, P-E-U-T, like it's spelled in peut-être, only applies to three. Il, elle, and on. If pouvoir in the sentence is with tu, nous, il, pluriel, for example, you're not going to make the mistake between the two words because it's gonna be a totally different word. So it only applies to il, elle, on. So let's focus on those three. So il, elle, on peut plus être. So the first one is he or it can be. Second one, she can be. Third one, we can be. Let's see two sentences for each. The first one, peut-être, maybe. So here we do the link as well for both of them. Peut-être, peut-être. Doesn't matter if there's a hyphen or not. Same pronunciation. Peut-être, t'être. It's the T sound. If you haven't watched my video how to read in French, I will also put it in the description box. Peut-être. The first one, peut-être que je viendrai ce soir. Peut-être que je viendrai ce soir. Maybe I will come tonight. Peut-être. Second one, this time for can be. Peut-être, same pronunciation. Il peut être là dans 10 minutes. Il peut être là dans 10 minutes. He can be there in 10 minutes. Il peut être là dans 10 minutes. Let's see two more. Il pleuvra peut-être ce week-end. Il pleuvra peut-être ce week-end. Maybe it will rain this weekend. Il pleuvra peut-être ce week-end. And then if you see another one with peut-être, can be, cela peut être intéressant. Cela peut être intéressant. That can be interesting. Cela peut être intéressant. You can also try to make a sentence with one of those in the comment section. I will make sure that you got it right. Or you can make two sentences, one with each if you want to. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, it really helped me. And I will see you soon for another lesson.